Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic types of market structures. In a perfectly competitive market, prices reflect an economy's collective wisdom. But in a monopolistic market, they reflect one company's absence of wisdom. Perfect competition characteristics. Many buyers and sellers, homogeneous, identical products, easy entry and exit for firms, perfect information for all participants. No single firm can influence the market prices. Implications. Prices are determined by market forces, supply and demand. Firms are prices takers, meaning they accept the market price. Monopoly characteristics single seller dominating the market, unique products with no close substitutes, significant barriers to entry. Price maker the firm has control over the price. Implications the monopolistic can set the price to maximize profits, limited consumer choice, potential for reduced efficiency and innovation. Oligopoly characteristics small number of large firms dominate the market. Products can be homogeneous or differentiated. Significant barriers to entry. Mutual interdependence among firms. Implications firms may engage in non price competition, advertising, branding, etc. Price and output decisions are influenced by the actions of competitors. Collusion is possible but often regulated. Monopolistic competition. Characteristics many firms, each producing a differentiated product, relatively easy entry and exit. Some control our price due to product differentiation. Implications firms have a degree of market power but are price setters to a limited extent. Non price competition is common through advertising and product differentiation. Consumers have a range of similar but not identical products to choose from. Understanding different types of market structure. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.